Lay. Sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Kane is in the building, nigga.
Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they will see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they will see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on.
In as few words as possible, how do you feel about today? Right there, that's as few words as possible. There you have it from Duke Dog himself.
And then my only last thing is let the Duke Dogs cook. And the Duke Dogs themselves are the ones who write these skits. Let these kids cook because they're figuring it out. So I just that would be my last plea.
And Amadi with an offensive foul. Even the mascot was in on that play.
Duke Dog, you the champ.
Alright,